When it comes to gaming gear, the keyboard is more than just a tool. It's the gateway to precision, speed, and comfort. The AK820 Gaming Mechanical Keyboard delivers all three, blending cutting-edge technology with customizable features for gamers and professionals alike. One impressive aspect is its triple connectivity: Bluetooth 5.1, wireless, or C-wired mode. This keyboard adapts seamlessly to your needs. Switching between devices is effortless, making it perfect for multitaskers who juggle gaming, work, and creative projects. Customization is at the heart of the AK820 Pro. With hot swappable switches, you can easily replace or upgrade keys without soldering. The multifunctional knob adds another layer of control, letting you adjust volume, brightness, or other settings with a simple twist. Comfort is prioritized thanks to the gasket-mounted design. This structure cushions each keystroke, reducing noise while delivering a softer, more satisfying feel. Combined with vibrant RGB lighting, the AK820 Pro enhances the aesthetic of any gaming setup. Whether you're a competitive gamer or a creator, the AK820 Pro offers the perfect balance of performance, style, and versatility. It's not just a keyboard, it's an upgrade to your entire digital lifestyle. The AK820 Pro is a powerhouse that redefines customization and comfort. If you're ready to level up your setup, this keyboard is the one to beat.